Well, good morning. Cheers. So yesterday I started drinking warm water with honey in the morning. I'm not even drinking the tea. Something's got to give with this gut problem of mine. I'm working on just eating very small meals several times a day instead of the 2 meals I usually eat, because I sort of do intermittent fasting where I don't eat until, I would say 10, 11 o'clock in the morning, and I don't eat after dinner, which is about 4 or 5 o'clock. So I've just naturally eaten that way most of my life. And I don't eat humongous meals anyway, but I don't know, I'm trying something different. So I can drink the hot water, well, it's warm water with honey in the mornings and throughout the day. So we'll see, even in the stomach tea, there might be some ingredient in there that bothers my stomach, so I just have to keep trying different things. So I know I can eat eggs. Cheese doesn't bother me. Yogurt doesn't bother me. Rice doesn't bother me. So, there are things that I can eat, but it's not the most nutritious, well-balanced diet there is. So I just have to play around with it, that's all. I should go make an appointment with a nutritionist and see what kind of a menu they come up with. And I know they'll put me on a low, FODMAP, FODMAP diet. And they say that, bone broth is good for healing your gut, but I can't bring myself to drink bone broth, so I have to find alternatives. So maybe veggie broth would work. So I have stuff in the freezer. I can make a nice veggie broth. I'll give that a try, and then I can alternate between the honey water and veggie broth if I can tolerate that. So anyway, not eating properly, of course, doesn't give you much energy either. So yesterday I just did not do anything at all. I watched television all day. I didn't put my stuff back in the bathrooms. I didn't even feel like doing that. And, when you're nauseated and queasy, you just kind of you just don't feel like doing much. So anyway, I'm back today. It's a new day, new start, and boy, is it ugly out there. It's like a freezing rain, and then it turns to snow and puts snow on the ground, and it's just very nasty out there. So it's, winter kind of started late. We had a nice fall, but it just is holding on and holding on. And normally, I don't get SAD, seasonal affective disorder. I usually don't get that. But I don't know, this winter has been a rough one for a lot of people, including me. So, and it's a wide area of the country. It's not just, okay, I'm in Ohio, so Ohio's having bad weather. It's the south, it's the north, it's more east. California's having crazy wildfires and mudslides and all that stuff. So yeah, it's kind of affecting the whole country. So today, so far, knock on wood, I feel a little better, and I'm going to try and get my bathroom put back together. It won't take me long. I just need to put, my decorations back up and things. So, but it really turned out nice. I really like it. And then Jeff came back yesterday and put in my bathroom faucet upstairs. I like that. That looks really nice. So I have to put everything back underneath the cabinet. And I did get a big, like a shopping bag full of old makeup and just old stuff that I've been meaning to purge anyway. So I got a whole bag full of that. And because, first of all, I don't wear it, and secondly, it was really old. So at least that's out. And I still have some more makeup that I should go through. Not a whole lot, but, you know, I mean, I might sometime put a little bit more makeup on, but usually I don't wear any anymore. It's unless I go, you know, sometimes if I go to the store, I'll put on a little bit of eyeliner, some lipstick. I do wear lipstick when I go out. I feel like it brightens my face a little bit, but I can't wear mascara too well because it blurs my vision. You know, this stuff comes off and blurs my vision. And maybe sometime I'll try the hypoallergenic or see if that works, because I don't have real dark, long eyelashes. And I want to start using the oil again. Oh, what is it? Well, it'll come to me. But anyway, castor oil, that's what it is. I want to start using that again on my skin. I've used it in the past, and also on my eyelashes. I don't know, you know, you might get a little tiny bit more darkening and a little bit more growth, but you have to be very consistent with it. You know, it's something you have to do every day. And I think it does work, but I don't know. Sometimes it's like, oh, why bother? But anyway, yeah, it's a good day for staying inside. Maybe, no, I'm not going to cook today. I still have a little bit of leftover stuff, which seems to be okay. I've eaten it a couple times. And it's tortellini and the roasted vegetables that I had a couple days ago. That seems to not bother me for some reason. But anyway, so yeah, that's my plan for today. So I'll be back. I'm going to drink my warm water and honey. I know that doesn't sound very appealing. I do miss my coffee. But sometime I'll reintroduce it and see how it works. So, all right, I'll be back. Oh, freezing rain this morning, and oh, so gloomy. Oh, my goodness. Not a good weather day. So I had my little quarter cup of yogurt this morning with some warm honey water. And this will be breakfast now. It's egg salad with cheddar cheese on sourdough bread. And I'll eat half of it now, and I'll eat the other half in an hour or two. So that's the way I'm kind of eating right at the moment, trying to heal up my stomach, and I'll see how that works. I just keep trying different things. So we have gotten about 2 inches of snow in the last couple of hours. You can see how much right there and there. So, yep, we have a winter snow advisory out today. Wow, it is really coming down. Freezing rain has turned to snow. Well, it's beautiful, but it's really coming down. I know I'll be staying home today. So So here is what's happened in just a couple of hours. It's very peaceful. And it is beautiful. It's a winter wonderland. Come on, buddy. Hey, here I am back at my budget book. On the 14th, I didn't spend any money. On the 15th, I didn't spend any money. But I've been looking around on Amazon for a toilet paper holder for my bathroom. Since I didn't want him to mount it back on the new cabinet, he would have had to drill some holes in there, and I said, no, I'll just get a freestanding one. So I'm looking for one of those. I found one, but I didn't buy it yet, so I should be getting that, in a few days. So I'm doing pretty well with the no spend this month. Just trying to get things organized and put back together has kept me busy. So, and that's a good thing. And then today, of course, we have tons of snow, so I won't be going anywhere. And so, yeah, I've only spent so far on 5 days. Yeah. So that would be 10 days of no spend. Anyway, so I'm doing pretty well, and I'm going to have to tighten the belt for the next couple months so that I can get a little more money put together, because I had to pay for that bathroom, and now I have to pay for the sink and light and faucet at Home Depot. So I got to get those paid for. So I'm hoping to get those paid for by next month. But it had to be done. I couldn't wait. For things like that, I don't put them on the back burner and let them go, because that's, in my opinion, that's how your house starts to fall apart and look disheveled, because then you have all these projects that need to be done. So, and I mean, I've had a lot of projects, but not because I let them go. It just all happened all at once. So that's something that if I had to, I would do financing for. So anyway, that's it on the budget book for me today. Well, here is my old faucet, and Jeff is going to put a new faucet in, just like the one I have in the basement. So what I have to do today is get this cleaned off, and also under the sink here, I need to get rid of some of this old stuff so that he can get to the plumbing. So some of this stuff I never use. I mean, it's organized, but it's stuff I don't need. Not all of it. Of course, some of it I'll keep. So that's going to be my project for the day. Get this cleaned out. Okay, well, I got my bathroom put back together. This is my ensuite. There is my new faucet. Same as in the basement. I love it. No new light in here. The light that I have is gold anyway, so it's staying where it is. Hello again. So it's all nice and neat now. And I got all this cleaned up down here. Got all the makeup, got rid of all that. Got some other things here that I decided to keep, so that looks much better, and it's all decluttered now. So there we go. That's done. And then in here, I just keep some hair things and little miscellaneous things. Here I keep some makeup. And I like these little cubby things. I got them at Mark's. So I have a bunch of those. So this makeup is still good. And over here I have some more hair things and some jewelry. And this is where I keep my most recent makeup. So I still have plenty of makeup, even though I got rid of a lot of it. So that's what's in there. Here I have my makeup brushes, my perfumes, just my favorites, and some refillable perfume atomizers. So, and this stuff has been here for years. And then over here, I keep a lot of my earrings. I kind of made little art pieces out of them. There's 3 of those. And just some decor. So, and a relax sign. Some of my oils and potions. And then I have these little drawers. Kind of hard to open sometimes. More potions and lotions, and I have to go through these too. And then I keep a lot of my other hair things here. And some more jewelry pieces. No, they're not real diamonds. It would be nice if it was. It's just costume jewelry. Boy, that would be worth quite a bit, wouldn't it? So that's what I keep in here, costume jewelry, and up in the top part some lotions and potions, more hair stuff, and then here I have some of my costume jewelry necklaces. These are the ones that I wear more often. So that's it. That's a little tour of my bathroom. And my linen closet needs some serious decluttering too, but I'm not doing that today. So, all right, 2 bathrooms for now, all done. And I'm very happy that that went okay. All right, well, it's the end of day 1, and this is what the bathroom looks like now. So the sink is gone, the light is gone, and I did order a new light. So it's looking better already, even though it's not even close to being done. He's going to come back tomorrow and do some more mudding. So, yeah, at least that'll be done. So he said it'll probably take him till Thursday or Friday to get this finished up, and the light and the vanity should be coming on Wednesday. So progress has been made, and hopefully I'm sure it will turn out really nice. Okay, the bathroom is finally done. So here's what it looks like. Now this is all empty, but anyway, I hope I can get in here because it's a small bathroom. So this is the new faucet, and I really like it. You can move this, and it's got this that comes out. So that's a nice feature, and all these decorations I've had for years. At one time, the whole basement was done in animal prints and animal themes. Hello. Oh, this makes me look really big. Anyway, it's a pajama day. So the mirror's back up. Eventually, I'd like to get a frame around this mirror, but I've run out of money pretty much for anything other than the bare basics. So, and that won't cost much. This is the light. So I really like everything that I got. And the hardware on this is also gold. And then all these decorations I had, Jeff put this back up for me, and right now that just holds a few little candle holder things. So, and the drawers are empty. Over here, the shower, I just have a shower mat. And then over here, I have some towels and a print, an animal print. And I still like all these things, so I didn't want to change it up. I just wanted to leave it the way it was. This down here holds some extra towels. And this is a dehumidifier. I got to put that somewhere else. But for now, it'll live here. And then I still have to get a toilet paper holder, which I have on order at Amazon. So there is the bathroom, and I like it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Did I choose well, or would you have done something different? All right. Yay, I'm so glad that's done. Well, okay, here we are at the end of the day, and I did get a little bit accomplished today. Not a whole lot. I still have dirty dishes in the sink. They can wait till tomorrow. But I did get the bathrooms put back together, so that's another big thing ticked off my to-do list. So, but before I go, I wanted to do another life lesson from Julia Cameron. So today is February 16th, and this is reading number 46. And it says, "Mourning one, you have lost a beloved. At least that is how it feels to you. In reality, your beloved lives on. Death is but a portal to a new and expanded life. Life survives death. You can make contact with those who have passed beyond. Take pen in hand, address a loving note to your beloved. Listen for a reply. Loving words will come to you. Your beloved loves you still." Well, that's really nice. That's a great idea. When you're missing somebody, sit down and pen in hand and pen them a beautiful note. And my dad passed away in 2003, and my grandma passed away in was 1983. So, but I still talk to them, if I have an issue or something I need some help with, I still talk to them, and sometimes you can actually feel their presence. It's in your soul. It's like a soul-to-soul connection. It's in your heart. At least that's what I find to be true. Now, some of you may say, "Oh, that's ridiculous. When you're dead, you're dead." And, none of us are going to know that until that time comes in our life when it's our turn to go. So, but in the meantime, if writing a letter or talking to your loved one makes you feel better, why not? It's not hurting anything. So, I'm a big advocate of that, They live on in your heart and in your soul anyway. So that's my take on the whole life and death situation. And there's so much going on out there where people that have had near-death experiences that, tell you that they've had experience with afterlife, and they've seen, let's say they're in an emergency room and they've passed away, and there's the thing where you float above your body, and they've been able to tell, when they've been brought back, they've been able to tell people what was going on, what was said, even people in a different room, let's say their loved ones are waiting in a different room, they've been able to travel to that room. So, I mean, some of it could be just made up, I guess, but there's so much, and it's not just in one area or one country or one religion. It encompasses all of humanity, no matter where they live, no matter what beliefs they have. A lot of people have a very similar experience. And, the universe is so mysterious and odd anyway. Why not? I mean, we don't know even a little fraction of what is going on with everything. If you just take it as the science part of it, you might not believe in a lot of this stuff, but there's a lot of metaphysical things that go on too. So anyway, that's it from me today. I'm going to have another warm cup of water with honey. I'm trying to drink a little bit more water, so I guess there's no time like the present. Well, hello, buddy. Can we say hello to the people? Oops, sorry. Can we say hello to the people? Oh, thank you for that hug. That is so sweet. He loves to hug me. He is such a good boy. You got a hair on your nose. You got lots of hairs on your nose, but that was one of mine. Yeah. So, all right, my friends. That's all I have for you today. I want to wish you abundant blessings. I love you guys. Be good to yourself. Be good to others. God bless you, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, comment, and like. It helps my channel grow. Don't forget to share, and thanks for watching.